Hello everyone and welcome. I have a face of the day. Just did my eyes and my lips. And I did my lips with this LA Colors and Coral Crush. It's a lip gloss. And I lined my lips with this NYX lip liner in Coffee. Let me open it up right quick. And that's what that looks like. Sorry, that's Coffee. Line my lips and fill them in with the lip gloss. I primed my eyelids with the Nika K eyeshadow primer. I did my brows with this Jordana eye pencil in taupe. For mascara, I'm wearing this Wet n Wild Mega Wear in black. And I use as an eyeshadow palette this LA Colors eyeshadow palette in Blushing Nudes. And that is what Blushing Nudes looks like. I used that eyeshadow right there on my brow bones. This one right here on my fingers, in my crease, and that darker brown in my outer V. Oh, excuse me, I forgot to show what I put on my lids. It's that one right there where my finger's at. It's very pretty. And that's how I got this look. Earrings are old from the beauty supply store, as well as the headband. So yeah, that's the look. No liner or anything else. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed. May God continue to bless you and everyone you love always. And until the next time, God willing, may you all stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.